Good day, Pluto, and happy birthday once again. So today, what I'm going to be showing you today is I'm going to be showing you some features in the Canva app. So firstly, when you enter your Canva app, this was you see at the face. This is the home page. You see it here, home page. You see projects. You see this plus. You see templates. You see themes. So these three lines here, these three columns, these three lines you see at the top by your left, this one here, when you click on it, you see first of all at the top you see invite people. I think this one is for the pro users like me. I'm a pro user. Then this one is home, which is this page we are right now. Then this is brands, this is apps. These apps, it really helps a lot. Let's go all apps. So before Canva, before Canva bring these features, these apps you see here, before Canva created these features, there are some design that I want to make in Canva but won't be able to make in Canva, so you have to leave the Canva app and go to another app to continue your work. So Canva decided to bring these features so that whatever you are designing, you won't leave the Canva app and go to another app to continue doing your work. Understand? So let's go back. And then this is Canva AI. This is Canva AI. This is Ask Canva. Ask Canva. This one is if you have any questions to ask the Canva about the Canva app, then this is trash. So let's go back to the home page. Good. So now this place here, projects. This project is for designs that you have already made so far. I haven't made so much designs in this Canva. I've made so much designs in this Canva. So let's go back to the home page. Then here, this plus you see is when you want to create something like you see this here popular. These are documents for you. Custom size. This is for example, you want to create a design on your own. You want to create a design on your own without using any any templates. Without using any template, you want to create a design on your own. So this is height and the units, the units. So let's use for example 1080. This is for Instagram. Yes, you can see it's Instagram post. Square is for Instagram post. So let's create new design using this. Let's create a new design using this. Okay, so now you can see here we have designs. These are the designs you see. Then here you can see elements. You can see elements, lots of elements here. So now essentially let's use these elements. Let's go to these elements. You can see text here. This text is when you want to write something. You see, when you click on the text, it will take you direct to where to write something. Let's write something here. Let's write something. Sharp. Okay, add a text. So now we can say something like design interface. Wow, what is happening here? What is happening? Okay, let's go to text. So add a text box. Let's say design interface. Take the interface down. Okay, good. So now you have gallery. So it's when you want to upload something from your gallery, from your phone. This is brand. This is uploads. This is add tools. So tools you use in Canva. These are the tools. Look at them here. Then let's go. Let's quickly go back to the design. When you click on the design here like this, when you click away, it shows nothing. But when you click back on it, this is what it shows you. This is when you want to add any comment to it. Then this plus here, this plus you see, is where you want to duplicate it. You want to make it double. You want to add another ones. You can be clicking on it. It will be, as you can see. Yes, this is the examples. You can see them. So let's delete them first. It's not time for using it. Okay, good. So when you click on this here, you can see here we have shapes. These are the shapes, and this is shape we decided to use. Then this is edit. When you want to write something, edit your writing. Then click on it. You have color here. When you want to choose a color, let's choose a background color for it. Black does not match. So let's use this color and continue our work. So when you click on this, the background, when you click on it, they show you where to replace when you want to replace it with something, maybe from your gallery. Yes, when you want to replace it with something. So when you click on something to replace it now, when you click something to replace it now, it will directly replace. Okay, so now we are not here. We are not here to replace it with anything. Why? Stop. So so here you have color to give it a color. Good. So let's see this wise. Then this one is timer. When you want to give it a time, so this timing is used for video making. We want to make a video, then animate. You want to make your graphics, you want to make your design move. It's also used for videos. Okay, so let's go back now. Then you have layers. This layers is used to This layers is when you want to edit something. Like here is the background, then this one is this element here, this template, the blue one. Then this one is the writing, this design interface. So you can select them, all. Like, look at this, you have selected them. You can select all of them. Okay, you can select all of them. When you select all of them, you tap on done, go back. Then once again, it shows you group. This group here, when you group, you have already grouped the template. You have already grouped the elements and the writing together. So now when you have to move, you move them together. So as you group it now, let's just let me show you some example now. As you group them now, let's ungroup it again. Let's ungroup it. So no, group it back. So if you not group it and you decided to move one of it, like let me create this one now, then duplicate it. You should duplicate without the writing. It duplicates but the writing is not here, so just delete it. So you want to duplicate it together with the writing. You want it to be together with the writing. You want it to be together with the writing. So let's go to layers, or let's go to layers. You select them, all of them. Select all of them. I don't want to select again. Good. You select all of them. When you select them all, then you group them. When you group them, then you start duplicating them. They become together as one. Okay, coming together as one. So coming together as one. Let's make another one again. Good. So this is it. This is no. This is position. This position is for you to position your design on where you want your design to be. Like this one now. Let's say you want to take it, oh, to the top. It's already at the top. To the bottom, to the middle, to the left, to the center, to the right. You can see it's right. Then advance is for you to create a new advance, a new width or height ratio to it. Okay, then here now you can see we have styles. Let's go to styles. Styles, if at least you want to give your design a style, like this one now is another style. You can see stroke weight, increase the weight. So let's leave it somewhere like this, or you choose this one, anyone you decide to use, anyone you decide to use. So let's just leave it here. Let's use this one. Okay, so color stroke, we want to give your design a new color, to the stroke, that black stroke. You want to give it a color, which is where you come and give it a color. So let's leave it black. And when the color you're looking for is not here, you can click on this place here, this place here. No, you can click on here, like this. You can click on it. When you click on it, it should take you, it will bring you here where you decide, you look for a color you want to create your own color. Okay, I hope you're understanding. So now let's leave it the color we want, the color we were using before. Yeah, gradients, some colors again. So let's leave it like this. So now we have corners. This edge, the edges, you want to give it another corner shape. You can see some corner shape. Then we have fonts. We have font. This font here is, you know what fonts mean now? Handwritings, design writings. You see, if the one you're looking for is not here, then you click on this arrow. And clicking on the arrow, you see them, much of it. There are plenty of fonts in Canva that you can use. Okay, change all the fonts. Then textiles. Textile is one shading, subheading, body. So the one we are using body. Then we have font sizes. Font size in the writing. The writing, what size do you want your writing to be? Do you want it to be bigger or smaller? Is what the font size is used for. Then let's go again. You have B format. Okay. So for the writing, for example, where you want your writing to be, if you want it to be at the right side, you click here. If you want to be at the middle, you click here. Left side, you click here. If you want it to be aligned, you click here. So you want it to be at the middle, you click here. So this B is bold. So the writing is already in bold. So it won't show us to put it in bold, but the writing is already in bold. But if, for example, it's not in bold, I want your writing to be in bold, you can click this B. Then this I is, as you can see, the writing has slangs. It's slided. It's slided. So when you click on this I, it give you slide. You slide it. Then this U is for underline. You want to underline the writing, you use this U, you see. Then this one is stroke. When you want to give the line stroke, you want to stroke it, you can see it's stroked. Then this one is this AA, you see, is for capital letter or small letters. Any letter you prefer, you want to use capital letters or also the small letters. Then this one is for this point, you see, is when you want to give it, you want to give it mark. Then this one is, you can see the number lining, but we are not going to use these ones. So number linings. So let's go back. Okay, let's go back. Then here we have advanced settings. So this, you see, is the letter spacing, spacing, how you want your letters to be, how you want to space them. As you can see here, like this, the letters are very tight, they're very close to each other. So you give them space like this, you'll be giving them space. I hope you're understanding. You give them space, a little space. Okay. Then here we have line spacing, the distance between the two writing. How do you want their distance to be? Okay. Line spacing, anchor text. Okay, good. Then text position A2, A square, text position. Then typography. Let's try this and see. Ligatures for interface, good. Then we have effects. Effects like this effect, you see, this one is shadow. It gives your writing shadows. Let's try them, you see. Lift, halo, splice, outline, outlines, echo. Then you see shapes. Shapes. So this one now is not in any shapes. When you click here, you see it's give it a curve shape. It's give it a curve shape. So let's go back. We have animate. I already showed you what animate means. If you want your design to be moving, you want to create a video. Transparency. Transparency is when you want your design either to be visible or non-visible. You see, transparency, when you bring it to 0, it will be invisible. When you start bringing it small, it will be visible. Visible to 100 is visible or true. So we have effects, we have animate, we have transparency, we have layers, then notes, we have positions, then notch. I've already showed you what position is now. Then notch. Notch is when you want to move your design slowly. Let's, for example, this one now, let's notch it. Let's notch it. You see, let me show you. When you click, it will be going down small, small, a little bit, not too fast for you to make your design still align the way you want it. It will be moving slow, slow, very slowly. And this, let's go back to this position. This position, for example, now this writing, as you can see, is at the top of this one. It's at the top of this one. This writing here, this element here is at the top of this one. So now we want this element to be at the back of this one. What will you do? Then you tap here, backward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. You can see now this one is at the top. You can move it now. This one is at the top. Then when you bring it backward, this one will be at the back. Then to front, this one is at the front. To back is at the back. Understand? Now let me do something for you. Let's see something. Good. So this one, as you can see, is at the back. It's at the back. Back is the last element. So let's bring it to the front. You see, it's at the top of all the elements. Backward, it takes to the back of this first one, but at the top of the second one, another back, another back. Just take it to the back completely. It's only at the back completely. Okay, and this one is align. Take it to the center, to the middle, to the top, to the bottom, to the left, to the right, to the center. Take it back to the middle. Okay, advanced settings. Okay, then let's go to more. So this is more. This copy is when you want to copy this element that we are using now. This element, if you want to copy this element, you tap on copy, then copy style. This copy style is the style, the writing, every style you see in the element is copied. So now let's paste it. So the paste content is not supported. Okay, the content is not supported to the paste. Then here you see on group, the writings are already, the designs have already grouped them since. So when you click here, you ungroup them. So let's group it back. Select multiple. We want to select the design like this one now. For example, now this one, I can only move it alone, right? I can only move it alone. So if I select multiple, I select them like this. I select them like this. So I will be able to move them all, together. I hope you understand it. I'll be able to move them all together. When I select multiple, I'll be able to move them all together. So this is it. Then let's not select it again. Then we have comments. You want to add a comment to the element. Then we have links. These links is, for example, you're working for a brand company. For a brand company, they can send you a link. They can send you a link to their own Canva for a particular design that they want you to design for them. They send you a link to it. When you paste on the link, you search, then the design will appear here for you to use. Then another thing, you have lock. When you lock, you lock this particular element. This particular element, you can't you do anything now. You cannot move the element. You cannot move the element anymore because you have already locked it. So when you unlock it, you can move it. Okay. Then we have lock position only. Lock position only. This is the position. So this one is already locked. The position is locked, but you can do any edit you want to edit. You can edit it. You can edit the writing, but the position, it won't move from this particular position. Okay. So let's go back. This one too is already, I locked it again. Okay. So I forgot to show you something. These columns, this these curves you see here, these ones, these two are what they call undo and the undo settings. Like, you want to go back to anything you have done, you want to undo something, you click here, you see it undo it, you see, go back, come back. Okay. Then these three dots here is give you everything you need in Canva. Create a new design. If you want to leave this design and start creating another design, upload files when you want to upload another file, then resize. This resize, you see crown here. So my own crown is showing, it's not showing golden. So my Canva is already a pro Canva. So if your Canva is not a pro Canva, you cannot resize your elements. Then view all pages. You have settings, the Canva setting, show page thumbnails, show timeline duration. This show timeline duration is used for video making. We are making a video. Then all guys, show margins, show print plead, hide comments. When you want to hide your writings, use English formulas, video playback. Okay. Then here again, let's go. You have accessibilities. Ask Canva, save, move to folder when you want to save your work. Version history. Okay. Then let's go back. No. Then this place here, when you click on here, this is the design we're using. 1080 by 1090 by 1920 Instagram story. Custom size, social media presentation, videos, whiteboards. Okay, good. Another perfect. So, since these are some features I need to show you on Canva, there is something again that I wanted to show you but can't remember. I can see something like, what is that thing? I wanted to show you something. Translator. Yes, translator. When you want to translate like this design interface, I would love to translate it into my language. I love it. Translate it into my language. Yes, you can see translate text. Then select language. Let me translate it. Design interface, right? Yes, design interface. Design interface. Translate. Select language. Oh, select language. Material is going to connect language. Ah, why now? What's happening?